welcome again. This is the Music Crusader, and today we are here for another voice settings for the piano Yamaha PSR series or any PSR series. And this is a praise sound. So normally in one man church in the villages, you have to play your guitar and play your bass at the same time. So this is a voice style for it. If you are the type or you are in the church that you play the piano and you are the same person play the bass guitar on your left hand side, so this sound will help you and make your life easier. And our main voice is going to be what I like using, the guitar sound, which is 045, and that's the clean guitar. So this is what I'll be using. Okay, so this is my main sound, but usually I like increasing the volume of the main sound, because when I add my bass, the main sound, which is the guitar, used to be buried. So what I'll do is I'll increase the main volume for this sound. And how to get to that is press the function key here and get to the settings. Now we'll press the category key up so that we'll get to our main volume. So we'll get to the M area. So we now have our M volume. This stands for main volume, and this is the sound we have, the clean guitar. So most of the times I just increase it to the highest, 227. So now it's more higher. After this, what we do is, I'm okay with this, I can decide to add a little reverb. I click on the category. I will not do anything to the octave. Then I know to pan. Then I'll add a little more to my main reverb, just to give it a sense of room, so that it wouldn't be too dry. From here, I'll move straight to my left, so I have to do something to my bass. Yes, I can use this same sound to play my praises or whatever, but then I need to get a bass sound. So then that's what the split is for. So I click on the split. On the split, then I'll have the sound for my bass sound. So you can hear the bass sound, the bass guitar. Then I think that's all I do. But what I usually do is make sure that my bass sound, the bass, is up to this octave for me, this F. That's why I usually like to play my bass up to. Okay, so I have to, and to check that, you have to press the category till you get to split point. So right now I'm coming back, I'm pressing the back key so that I get to split point. So this number determines where your split. So from here going, you hear the guitar, but here the bass end, and this is because this is the number of choosing. So you see it's saying 065. That's the number, but if you look closely, you will see that there's a dark color here showing where the split point has gotten to. If I use my control here to reduce it, you can see that the black icon is moving backwards. That's if I shift the thing backwards, or if I move it forward. So now I'm making sure that that sign is on this F that I want. So now it's currently there, and now I'm okay with my sound. I have up to here to be my bass, and up from this to be my keyboard, and that's ready for church praise. Okay, so that's it using my Praises voice settings. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. We'll meet again. For now, bye bye.